Hello everyone, in this video I am going to teach you guys how to use columns to move your logo to the left of your website in Wix.com. For that you need to log in or sign up to your Wix.com using a suitable password. You see I'm going to click on it. Here's my dashboard that appears on the screen. What I need to do to add a logo, I need a proper site, a proper website. You can go to the three dots, you can create a new site, or if you already have one, just click on Design Site, and it will direct you to your specific site that you want to add the logo to. Here you see, it is preparing my site. This is actually the site where I want to place my logo. I want my logo. Here you see there's no logo. I really need to create a logo first and place it to this area on the top left corner of the header. So what I'm going to do is add an element first. So in order to add the elements, I'm going to click on it. Here you see I can use different sizes as the headings. I can use paragraphs as my logos. You can also see, let me show you guys, there are different styles that you can use here. I mean, Wix is all about designs that you can use. I'm using the simple one. I am going to get rid of this. We can adjust this. Let's just click on edit text because let me show you guys how you can adjust it. You see there are different styles that you can use. This is different sizes that you can be used. You see there's 40px that I would be using because I want to keep it a bit simple. Now, you can also make different changes. I think I don't need any other change. So I would just simply, now I don't want to keep it as heading 2. I'm going to get rid of this text. Let's just write my logo as Real Helium here. That is it. I want it a bit simple because my background is a bit funky, so I would like to keep it a bit simple. Now I want this logo on the top left of my site, and I'm going to do that using different columns. So go to the elements. All right, I need to go to the strips because I want it more, attractive. I'm going to go to the strips, use the featured ones. Let me just choose one for myself. I would be choosing this one. I think this one is cool. I would be choosing this one. You can simply click on it or drag it. It will appear on your screen. Get rid of the extra text. I don't want it. I don't want the box. Just delete this. Now what you can do is drag this strip to the top of your website and it will be adjusted in the form of your header. Here you see I'm dropping it and it has become your header. Now what you can do is drag your text and keep it over here to the left. But you see this is quite opaque, so I can adjust the opacity, but you see if I drag it, my text won't appear much on this. So I would like to make it a bit transparent so that my logo will appear more on the screen rather than this yellow color. So change background, go to the settings. Here you can adjust the opacity. I am going to keep it at 60, 61. That is it. Yeah, look. Now that it does not look odd on my website, simply drag the text to this area. But where is the column? I really need the column first. So let's just create a column and then drag my text there. In order to create a column, just click on it, go to the layouts. Here you see layout, click on it. When you click on the layout, it will give you the option to create a column on the center, left, or right. I'm going to go to add columns. I want 2 columns. Now column number 1 on the left side, column number 2 on the right side. I want my logo on the left side, so I would be dragging it to the left side. But there is one issue. Let me just show you guys that when I drag my text here on the left and the right portion, my left column is on the center. I want it more on the right side. No, I want it more on the left side. So what I'm gonna do, because you see there are two strips that are present. So when I drag my text to the column, it will actually cause my text to disappear when I preview it. So in order to make it more convenient, I am going to click on the column and move my strips to the left. Click on the left, and you see these strips, the two strips on the side, the left strip has moved to the margin so that I can easily put my column to the left of the website. I'm going to drag it and place it to the leftmost corner this way. Now you see, this is how I have added my logo to the leftmost of the screen using a column and then adjusting it to the left. Let me just, okay. You can add sections, you can adjust it more according to your taste, but this is convenient for me. I want it this way. This is just a sample. You can change it, just preview it, or then publish it. Let me just, I think I would like to preview it first to check out how it looks. When I click on preview, it might take a second to preview it, and this is how it's going to appear on the screen. You see, this is on the leftmost corner, no columns appearing on the screen. That was just to adjust my logo. And yeah, this is how you're going to adjust your logo. You see, Wix is all about using different features and making your own style of website. Just go back to the editor. This is how you can adjust it according to your taste. I hope you guys understood how to add your logo to the left of the screen using the columns and then using different layouts to adjust it. This was quite easy. Use Wix, create your own site. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.